So hello everyone, my name is Shomraj and you are watching Coding Pillar. So today we are going to create schema and our model. So without wasting any further time, let's get started with the video. So yeah guys, we are in our project folder and now I'm just going to start our server. So we have started our server. Now I'm just going to create our model. I'm going to import mongoose. So I'm going to create our schema and here I have to specify my fields. So in this schema there are two fields, author and content, and now I'm going to write down the properties. So I have also copied this thing. So I am going to use timestamps also. I am going to give a name, then point to our schema. Now I just will export the model. So this is our model post. So yeah guys, I have successfully created our schema and then exported our model. So we have successfully created our model and now I am going to use that model. So I am going to import our post route. For that I have to create that file first. So we have created our file. So yeah, I'm going to use that route, and my app has crashed because we still haven't made any changes to this file. So now I'm going to import our model. So now I'm going to use that route for the routing purpose. First, I'm going to handle the get request response. Sorry guys for the mistake. Now I'm going to export our router. So as you can see, our server has started again, and let me add few description. So with this I'm going to get all the posts, so that's why I'm using the find, and this is a public route. So like this I'm also going to create our post route. I'm going to change the description. This is also public, and after that I'm going to add, and let me change the method post, and then I will have to. So as you remember, in our model there was two fields, author and content. So we also need that. So from the body we have fetched author and content. So yeah, guys, we have also made our post route. So hello guys, for this part of the video, you have to download a new software that will be our REST API client so that we can check our API. So for that, search Insomnia REST. So we are in the website of Insomnia, and from this website you have to download this. And I have already downloaded this, so I'm going to open that this software. So hello guys, we are in the software. So first of all, I will just create a new folder. So I have given the app name. So I'm going to create a new request. So after creating the request, for now we have to specify the URL. So our port was 4500 and then API post. So now I am just going to send this request. So as you can see, we have got this response, and as we don't have any post, so the response is blank and it is of the type of array. So we are now going to create our new a new post. So for that, similarly, create a new request. So I'm going to copy the URL, and here the URL was API post add. Our body will be JSON, and as you remember, there was two fields. So I have just added random data. Now I'm going to send this request. So as you can see, we have got our response, and now I'm just going to see that if my post is created or not. So as you can see, I have made a GET request and I have also fetched my new post ABCDEF, and this is a random content for the post. So for checking, I am going to create another post. Let me name it this way. We are so I'm creating a new post. So as you can see, our new post is also created. Now I'm just going to see again. So as you can see, we have successfully fetched our two posts, and the last post is coding pillow. We are creating a new app for the mern-stack. So that's it, guys. That was all for this video. So I hope you understood everything, and if you have any question, you can comment below in this video. And so that's it.